This is the second print of that piece. I've made those holes a tiny bit smaller and those holes a tiny bit bigger. So we'll see if that lines up. So I'll take this apart again and shove that in, just to know what I'm talking about. This is the last night's version, and those screw holes are too big. So these are just that tiny bit smaller, so they should take the thread. That was the quick way to get them off. Just split it, and we'll turn these around the other way. So that the disc brake goes on that side. So it didn't make any difference to it's actually running, but we want it to be the same as it was originally. Right, tap them into there. Back together again. Oh, hang on. That's not moving at all. Why is that not moving at all? Right, Sainsbury's car park. So, oh, and it's raining a little bit, light rain, drizzle. We'll just see if this thing actually runs with my 3D printed bit. Probably end up in that puddle, won't they? Might try that way. I haven't mastered the technique of launching it yet. At all. Try that again. I saw what happened there. That's all popped out already. Oh, that's no good. In fact, that's hopeless. I wonder if I can tighten the screws up. I keep forgetting I got very little range with this. I was going out of range before I turned it. Alright, technique is full throttle through it. Just about getting the hang of it. Got to give it a little touch of steering to straighten it up. Before it gets out of range. Yeah, we're gonna have to go hobby grade. Just haven't got the range. Those bits are digging in to the rough surface. We want something really smooth. Right, should be a bit smoother up here. Whoa, that's not going to help. Still there. Power's running down. Oh, come on. Still in one piece. I think that'll do for now. Clearly an improvement on the last time out, and I'm beginning to understand how to control him. Just give him a tiny touch of left or right to try and straighten him up when he's going, rather than holding it or whatever. And on the rough ground, these just dig in and he flips over when you turn. So yeah, I'll call that an improvement. So you can get a picture for the thumbnail. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.